you the greatest movie of all time have brought those movies to life. Now you can live them. You face the frenzied attack of Jaws, the colossal fury of King Kong. You feel the mind-boggling power of an 8.3 earthquake, the spirit soaring flight across the sky with E.T. You join the Ghostbusters and much, much more. Now you play a part in all the glamour, spectacle, and adventure of a real working motion picture and television studio. This is no theme park. It's Universal Studios Florida. It's open now in Orlando, and it's the only place on Earth where you can see the stars and ride the movies. He's a cop in a class by himself. He is fearless, unstoppable, unbeatable. I forgot to introduce myself. My name is John Kimball, and I love my car. Yo, man, keep an eye on it for you, all right? Now, he's going undercover to face his toughest adversary.
Listen, Kimball, you gotta handle this like any other police situation.
They speak their own language.
You walked into it showing fear, you're dead.
They play by their own rules.
No fear.
No fear.
And they are totally ruthless.
No fear. No fear.
Good morning announcement. The teacher is teaching the golden rule.
Kindergarten cop.
American history facts and bad.
He's a cop in a class by himself.
What's the matter?
I have a headache.
It might be a tumor.
It's not a tumor. It's not a tumor at all.
The new comedy from Ivan Reitman. Arnold Schwarzenegger